Hello guys, so today we have this question, best time to buy and sell stock. So basically in this question we have given the array which contain the prices of stock at every day. So you just maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choose a different day in the future to sell that stock, and you just return the maximum profit. Okay, or if you don't get any profit, like you just return zero. So this is the question. See the example first. So in this first example you have given the price of stock at first day. The price of stock is 7, then next day price of stock is 1, then 5, then 3, then 6, then 4. So if you buy the, see, if you see the price of stock at first day is 7. Okay, then after next day the price of stock is decreasing, like 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. So price of stock is decreasing. So if you buy the stock at first day, then you didn't get the profit. So just skip the first day, then see, the next day the price of stock is 1. So if you buy the stock at second day price of stock is 1, then sell it at fifth day price of stock is 6. So 6 minus 1, sorry, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So get the profit 5. Okay, and see in example second, you see the price of stock is decreasing. So first day price of stock is 7, then second day price of stock is 6, 4, 3, 1. So price of stock is not increasing. So if in that case, if you buy the stock at any day, you don't get the profit because price of stock is not increasing. So in that case you just return the profit 0. So this is the example. So my logic is, you just return the you just traverse the loop from the first index of array, and you just calculate the current profit. Okay, current profit, and see if the current profit, before that you have to create one variable called maximum profit. Okay, in that variable you store 0 initially because you don't know the maximum profit, so that's why you just store 0. Now you just check that if my current profit is greater than the maximum profit, then I update the maximum profit with current profit. So this is the logic. And one case is, you have to declare one variable like buy price. Okay, so initially in that variable you store the first first day price of the stock. So first day price of stock is in this example is 7. So store 7 in this variable buy price. Okay, and you have to also update this variable when you get the less price of the stock, then you have to update this buy variable. Now I write a code for this. So I'm not writing the complete code, just I'm writing the logic. So see, this is my function public int maximum profit. In that variable we have given the array which name is prices. So first of all you have to calculate the length of this array using this line. Now I declare one more variable called maximum profit. In that variable I store 0 because I don't know the maximum profit, no. So just initially I just store 0. Now and third variable buy price. So initially in that variable I store the first day price of stock. So prices Okay, so I have just declared two variable. Now I run a loop for int I is equal to 1. I am starting the loop from I is equal to 1 because first day price I stored in this variable, so that's why I start the loop from next index. So I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. So in that variable I calculate the current profit. Okay, current profit. So for calculating current profit, you have to just you just calculate the difference between the current price of the stock. So current price of the stock is prices I minus buy price. Okay, so I calculate the current profit. Now I just check that if my current profit is greater than maximum profit, if my current profit is greater than maximum profit, then in that case you just update your maximum profit, because you get the maximum profit now. So in that case you just update the maximum profit with current profit. And one more case, and one more condition you have to check, like if the current price of the stock is less than the buy price, then we also update buy price with your current price of the stock. So current price of stock is the prices of I. Then close the loop and just return your maximum profit. So I am updating this buy price because I get the less price of the stock. So uh, always you need to buy the stock at the minimum price. So when you get the minimum price, then you just update your buy price using this line. Okay, and using this line you just calculate the current profit, and if your current profit is greater than maximum profit, then just update it. So this is your logic. Again I just repeat the logic. So first of all I calculate the length of the array, then I declare one variable maximum profit. Is initially I stored 0 because I don't know the maximum profit. Then third, I just create one variable buying price. In that variable I store the first day price of the stock. Okay, now I run a loop from I is equal to 1, I less than n, because I am starting the loop from I is equal to 1 because first day price I already stored. So you have to move to next index. Okay, now in this loop I calculate current profit. So you have using this line I calculated current profit. Now if my current profit is greater than maximum profit, then I update with current profit. Now I also check second condition, like if my current price of the stock is less than the buy price, then I also update the buy price with my current price of stock, then I return the maximum profit. So this is the complete logic. Thank you guys.